Guys, just look at how many chewing gums there are! Wendy, you're out of luck! But don't worry, you can chew them first. Yeah, great. At least some good news. Well, come on, open up! Uh-oh. I think my finger is stuck. Oh no! Help! I don't know what to do with it!
Let me help you.
Pull your finger, hurry up! Oh, it's not working. The finger is inside. Anyway.
So we're moving to extreme measures.
Oh no! Did it really work?
What did you think? I was going to cut your finger? Here, take it.
Oh no, the finger is stuck again. Oh no, it's fine. I'm fine, Sam, thank you. Let's try it. Mmm, very delicious. Ooh, I want to try every color. And of course, blow the bubbles. Oh, cool.
Well, I hope you don't get your finger stuck anymore. Well, it's time for me to try my chewing gum.
But without any sauce, please. Give it here, it's not safe.
Okay. I think I have a coin to get the goodies. I always have my wallet with me. Let's see. There we put it. And there's my reward. The green gum is exactly what I wanted to try. Oh yeah. Mmm, so delicious. And look at these bubbles. Well, let's continue. What? Did I really have only one coin? Well, what am I supposed to do now? Ooh, I think I have an idea. Gum is in fact clay, so why not make a coin out of it? Well, let's see. Let's put it. Now, oh no, it's not working. Well, let's try another time. Ugh. Oh no! It's time for extreme measures again. I don't have a saw, that means I'm gonna use a hammer. Oh, there it is. Finally, I will be able to taste exactly the flavors I want. Ooh, and inflate as many colored balloons as I can.
Yeah, that was cool, of course, but the method is still barbaric. Really, you just have to give a piggy bank. Wait, why can't I break it? Come on!
Wait. It's rubber, why break it? Just open the lid from the bottom, and here are all the coins for you. See?
Oh yeah? Is it that simple? Thanks for the help! Now I can eat as much gum as I want. And I want a lot. Let's start with the red and yellow ones. They're very tasty. Let's move on. Oh wow, it looks so cool. Oh, I had enough money to get them all. Now I can at least swim in them. But of course, I'll just eat everything at once and inflate a giant bubble. Oh, look at that. I'm ready.
Maybe you don't need to. It's too gigantic.
Well, this time I have a little treat. A regular pack of Mentos. Look at what I got! A huge box of it!
Is it huge? Compared to mine, yours is just a puff. Well, girls, cover your mouth. Envy is a bad feeling. Come on, close it.
Apparently, I'll be the first one this time. And not only do I have a small pack of Mentos, but it's also just one candy inside. Okay, at least I'll eat it. Whoa, refreshing it is. Oh, I even got an icicle on my nose. Haha, cool.
Hey, you have the icicle, but others are suffering. It's not fair.
Sorry, I didn't do it on purpose.
And anyway, Wendy, come on.
It's not opening up. Oh, here it is. Where are my candies? Finally! Look, I have only one, but it's so much bigger. Let's take a bite. So delicious! Oh, so good. Uh-oh. I think I underestimated how minty it is. I'm freezing like I'm lying in a snowdrift right now. Oh.
Okay, last touch. And my masterpiece is ready. Oh no, why is it so slippery? Ah! I'm falling! No, not the cake! Oh no!
Oops. It seems that not everyone is as happy with Mentos as I am, but I didn't want it to. Sam, it's your turn to open the pack.
Yeah, finally! But my box is so huge that I can hardly even lift it! But I did it anyway. Here is my huge candy. Well, it's time to gobble it up. Of course, entirely. Oh, it's too appetizing. I just can't stop. Of course, I'm already cold, but never mind. I'll pull it up with it. The candy is too delicious, but too freezing. Whoa, girls! It's winter here in the middle of summer. Let's play snowballs.
Great idea! Catch it! Hey, how could you do it? Well, here you go. Take it. My revenge will be oh so unpleasant. Oh, I know! Although, admittedly, it's a lot of fun.
Thanks to whom? Of course to me.
Whoa, I have not seen such a fonta yet.
I haven't seen this one either. It's so small.
And I have a perfect middle ground. The best option. No way! The best option is my huge bottle. Just look at it. I just want to drink everything as soon as possible.
Hey, it hurts. Well, fine. But I'll drink mine first then. Let's try. Look, it's not Fanta. It's a liquid candy. It's even cooler. It tastes much better. Yummy. I loved it. Oh, look, cool. Although, not only I liked it so much, and also this creepy bee. Get out of here. What? What are you doing? It stole my candy. Oh, come on.
Enough. You're going to piss her off, and now she's going to call her girlfriends, and then she'll steal my bottle too. Let me enjoy this orange yummy in peace. Yummy. Everyone has already tried it, but I haven't. I need to improve. Ooh. Just look at how sticky it is. It has a cool consistency. And it looks like a spider's web. Look! It's time to put on a spider mask. Yeah, look at that. And it's time to save the city. I'm ready. Just look at what I can do. I would never have thought that I was capable of that. Cool. Uh-oh. Oh, I shouldn't have put my hands out. Yummy. Ah! What have you done? The only thing that saves you is not that all the candy spilled out of the bottle.
Yeah, the same goes for me, Spider-Man. By the way, while you're lying on the floor, I think I'll finish the yummy.
So small, I'm so sad. Molly, just look at what I have. Oh my god! Hey, and what about me? I have the biggest one. Cool. Really? So small? Stop laughing at me! Aw. Let's try it. It's comfortable to hold it in my mouth at least. It's very tasty. Haha, look at that. It's so funny. Are you out of your mind? What a child. Ah! Ouch! You bit me! Stop it! Are you crazy? Oh, my little finger. Well, but I've got a candy to calm me down. I can't bite it off. Ooh, I know what to do. I'm going to smash it. That's it. Yeah. And now I can just crunch it. It's so delicious. So good. And it's all mine. I love it. Amazing. Hey, get to your own. Oh, yeah. What should I do with it? Hammer? No, I'll take a sledgehammer.
Wow.
It's up to you how much effort you have to put in. It's so big. Finally broke. Come on. Go. Oh yeah, almost done. And some more. And it's over. Perfect. Ooh, yummy. So good. Girls, fly in. Yum. Ooh, yeah, catching up. Yum, yum. Oh, what a cute shark. Pretty. Wow. My shark is a huge predator here. Wow. Whoa. My huge shark! Such a cool one! Cool. But girls, I'm going to start. Okay. I'm trying. Ooh, delicious. But not enough. It's your turn, Chloe. Oh, yes. How to bite it off. Oh, come on. What should I do? Oh! I can't bite it off! Okay. Do you have any suggestions? Can you help me? Okay, pull. Almost! Woo! Uh-oh. Sorry. But I at least got this half, so I'll start with it. Yum yum. So good. Oh, I think I'm fine. Ooh, marmalade. Hey! Please, let me take a bite. No, it's all mine. Thank you for helping, though. Aw, pretty. Okay, your turn. Okay. Let me see. It's too rubbery, but I know what to do. I took karate lessons. So now, with the help of 2 blades, I'm going to cut everything into small pieces. Whoa, so impressive. Kia! Perfect. Almost done. Just like that, my marmalade turned into marmalade sushi. Now, I'm going to flip them. Up. And again. And again. Just like that. And right into my mouth. So interesting, so funny, and so delicious. Ooh, I'm done. Ooh, bravo! It was impressive! Thank you. What a small portion. It's so hot. I've got an average size, but it's twice as spicy. Whoa! What a nightmare. I agree. I don't want a small package. You start. Oh, me? Okay. I'm really glad it's such a small package. I don't want to try any spicy noodles. I guess they're okay. Oh no. There's smoke coming out of my mouth. Oh, that was close. It's your turn. Really? But I don't want to do it. Okay, I've got an idea. I'm going to be right here to take you off. Okay, thank you. Let's do it. Oh no. So hot already. Oh no. Oh, cool me off right away. Thank you. Well, now it's your turn. I'm here to help. Okay, well, let's start. Wait, what are you doing? Very suspicious. Hey, I caught you. Stop doing that. I didn't eat anything yet. Okay, let me first eat and then cool me off. Ooh, yeah, so delicious. I love it. But they're also very hot, so I need to eat as fast as possible not to feel it. Oh no, it's coming up! It's coming up! Hey, Chloe! I hear ya! Don't do anything! No, do it! Ah! She said don't do anything. Hey, I don't think it's for that case. Come on, she doesn't need my help. I'm fine, I think. Really? Now? You should have done that a while ago. You told me you would help me, but thanks anyway. Yeah. I'm such a good girl. Such a helper. Oh, what a tiny pack of Hooba Booba. What is that? Ooh. Yeah, I've got an average size. Love it so much. Whoa, what is that? Oh, yeah. This is my baby. Look at that. Such a huge package. Yeah, but such a small one right here. Come on, Chloe, eat up. Okay, fine. Stop laughing at me. Oh, look at that small roll. I need to get it out and chew. Maybe I can even blow a bubble. Oh, look at the tiny one. I don't really see anything. Fine. Let me get you a magnifying glass. See? Yeah, I see it, but it's like extra tiny. That's hilarious. Whew. Well, let me try my Hooba Booba. Yeah. Yummy stuff in my mouth. And I'm going to blow a bubble as well. Watch and learn. See? That's a bubble. Aww. No, no, girls. Now me. And I'm going to blow the biggest bubble of all. With this roll of gum, I can do anything. So yummy and sweet. I love my gum. Okay, some more. Oh, it's so tasty. Just an explosion of taste. I take one more piece. And another one. Ooh, so good. And roll it like that. Cool, I've got a little roll here. So good. And the last piece. Whew. Here it is. Now watch and learn, girls. The huge bubble. Whoa. That is very big. You should stop.